So I'm Sergeant Caro. I'm one of the gunners on the plane for the AC-130J. There's 4 gunners that fly on every mission. 2 of us have to operate the 105. 1 will be up on the 30 mil, and then 1 does what you would think of like a traditional loadmaster, flight engineer, just backing up the pilots and calculating weight and balance. We're all qualified on the same stuff, so we just rotate every flight. For the 105, you'll have 1 gunner on this side that actually loads and manipulates the gun. The gunner on that side, he's kind of like our safety observer. But for the 105 specifically, we carry 80 rounds. We strive for a max of 1 round every 6 seconds coming out. The recoil on this is a max of 49 inches. This safety cage will come down to protect us. This is just a dummy round to give students an example of like how heavy the rounds are, or for static displays like this. So this plane was the first plane to shoot in combat. Yeah, so it's out here on an air show.
We were removing both the left and right sternal tanks, just kind of going through all the maintenance procedures to accomplish a TCTO, that's a time to flying technical order. The whole overarching goal behind us removing these external tanks now is so that when we go off into combat environments, especially high altitude ones, we can go ahead and remove those external tanks to save weight. They weigh about 1,000 pounds a piece. Removing those assemblies will allow us a further flight time at a higher altitude if need be. This is the first time that this has been done on the AC-130Js here at Cannon Air Force Base. So we're going to be knocking out 8 aircraft over the period of about a month. That is our timeline for all of this. We're doing 2 to 3 weeks of work now, so that when we're gone and deployed and in a combat environment, we'll save somewhere in the neighborhood of like 15, 20 hours of maintenance just to accomplish this.
The capable airman definitely plays a role in this, so it's not just heavily reliant on my crew chiefs or fuel cell to do it. You know, if more people are involved and willing to come out and learn how to, you know, remove these 1,000-pound tanks, it helps the future crew chief that, hey, I have to go refuel this plane, or I have to go change a tire on this plane. That MCA airman can go out there and say, yes, I'm confident doing it, and they get the mission done for it. We don't have to rely on that 1 crew chief or 2 crew chiefs. You know, it opens up our arsenal of maintainers to actually be a maintainer, not just a specific E&E troop or an engine troop. Now you're actual just aircraft mechanic, basically.